Understanding unity of purpose. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, unity of purpose. Understanding this concept can be incredibly beneficial. Whether you're working in a team, leading a project, or simply trying to achieve personal goals. Unity of purpose refers to the state in which all members of a group or organization share the same goal and are committed to achieving it. It's not just about agreeing on a goal. It's about harnessing the collective energy and focus of everyone involved towards a common objective. Unity of purpose is a powerful force because it 1. Enhances collaboration. When everyone is aligned, teamwork becomes more effective. 2. Increases efficiency. With a shared goal, resources and efforts are focused and not wasted on conflicting objectives. 3. Boosts morale. People feel more motivated when they are part of a united effort. Achieving unity of purpose involves 1. Clear communication. Everyone must understand the goal and why it's important. 2. Inclusive planning. Involve team members in planning. Their buy-in is crucial. 3. Regular check-ins. Ensure the team remains aligned by regularly discussing progress and addressing any concerns. Let's look at scenarios where unity of purpose makes a significant difference. 1. Business projects. A company launches a product, requiring different departments to work together seamlessly. 2. Sports teams. A football team aims for a championship, requiring every player to focus on the team's strategy and success. Unity of purpose is more than a phrase. It's a powerful principle that, when applied, can lead to remarkable achievements. Whether in your personal life or in a team, remember the strength that lies in being united towards a common goal. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has illuminated the power of unity in achieving your objectives.